Hello everyone! Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel Wishful Tree. My name is Sue. I'm a school occupational therapist. Today in this video, I will share some coloring materials in different shapes. And I want to share what it does, what different shapes of coloring materials do to children's hand, pencil grasp, writing grasp. If students don't have any writing grasp issue, if they are holding the crayons, pencils efficiently, then I have no problem using this type, like regular crayons. And it's just fun to use them. And I want to share these. These are from Creatology. These are useful to practice tripod pencil grasp for younger children, and it's fun shape, so it really grasps their attention. I love this. And these are chalks, colored chalks. Obviously you need a chalkboard to draw, and also my chalks are all short, you notice. Next, the heart shape or the flower shape, different shape of crayons. It helps the student to hold the crayons with their 3 fingers, squeezing, and it's fun to use. And also, I include DIY heart-shaped crayon making video. Please continue watching, and I also put timestamp in the description box. If you want to jump over, you can also watch it. And my favorite coloring tools are broken crayons. I sometimes ask them to break even smaller pieces. The reason why I really like these broken crayons is that they have to use their 3 fingers to grasp. Basically, the shape will enhance their tripod grasp, 3-finger grasp. So they have to hold it this way with 3 finger, thumb, index, and middle finger to color. And I like these thicker crayons as well, because the thicker crayons alleviate the pressure or the force of those 3 fingers. So it's easier and less stressful than holding the thin regular crayons. Shorter the better for them to practice their tripod grasp, efficient grasp. thank you for watching today's video. And if you like the video, please subscribe and give me thumbs up. And please leave comment below how your crayons came out. And I'll see you next Sunday. Bye!